Good morning, students. Today I am here for class 10th with chapter 4, that is quadratic equation. Dear student, you know that I told you about the quadratic equation and questions related to the quadratic equation in the previous video. What we have discussed in the previous video, we have discussed how to frame the quadratic equation. In the second form, we have studied that how to find out the solution of quadratic equation if some roots are given. Otherwise, you can say if some roots are given, so how can we check that the given root is the solution or not? Okay. So 2 and 3 types questions we have studied in the previous video. Today I am telling you the basic uses of quadratic equation. Basic uses of quadratic equation in our daily life. Means today we shall learn about some word problems that related to our daily life, some situation that created in your daily life, and we want to convert these all the word problems in the quadratic form, in the quadratic equation form. Okay, so this is very important, that how to frame, otherwise how to convert the given statement in quadratic equation. And after that, in upcoming videos we shall learn about the solution of the word problem. With the two methods we shall learn, we will use in this chapter. First is factorization method, that is called splitting method, and second is quadratic formula. So I am going to start your exercise. Okay, means exercise 4.1 and otherwise 4.2. In both the exercise, some questions are given that is related to our daily life. So one by one, what is the important to solve the word problem, that I am telling you. Okay, see the example. I am writing here example. Okay, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 240. Formulate the problem in quadratic equation. Means this is the simple, I think, word problem that is related to our daily life. We have two consecutive integers, positive integers, and whose product is 240. So how to write in the quadratic equation? Dear student, I told you the standard form of quadratic equation. I am here writing again. Standard form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and here a, b and c are the integer, and you can say a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, right? So here one variable we are using in the quadratic equation. So first, what is not given, what we want to find out, we are searching to find out two consecutive positive integer, and we don't know because both are unknown. So let them, first we find out the first unknown term, and we are assuming that any variable k, x, w, whatever you want. Okay, so how to write and how to find out, how to convert the given statement in the quadratic equation. So first is important that you have select a unknown term. Arbitrary constant you have used means a variable you have used to find out the unknown terms. That is any English alphabet, small English alphabet you can use here. Let the first positive integer be x. You can assume here because we don't know which are two consecutive पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, दोनों का हमें पता नहीं है. सो सेलेक्ट वन ऑफ देम, किसी एक को तो अपने को क्या करना है, एज्यूम करना है, इमेजिन करना है, एंड उसको हमने क्या राइट किया, सपोज दैट एक्स. सो व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट, हियर आई एम राइटिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव मीन्स टू कंटिन्यूअस. if first number is x, so which number is next? For the next number we add 1, then therefore we can say, otherwise you can say then the second integer be which x plus 1, right? यदि अपने को एक वेरिएबल अपने को पता है या एक नंबर अपने को पता है, तो नेक्स्ट नंबर है जो क्या है, कंसेक्यूटिव है, जो नेक्स्ट आने वाला है. सो मीन्स सक्सेसिव जो नंबर है उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, 1 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट इंटीजर बी x एंड सेकेंड इंटीजर बी x plus 1. नाउ व्हाट इज सेइंग द स्टेटमेंट, वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द प्रोडक्ट, and what we will get, we get 240. So according the question you can write here, according the question, what is saying this question is saying if we are multiplying first integer and second integer, so we will get product 240. So first integer is x and second integer is x plus 1, okay? And you know that how to find the product, or how to write in product form in the algebra. Okay, I am using here bracket show that the product multiply sign, okay? So this is first integer and this is the second integer, and we will get the product 240, right? Now you open it, so x multiplied by x, we get x square according the exponent rules, okay? And x into 1, we get x, that is equal to 240. Now transfer 240 in LHS part. So what we will get? We will get x square minus plus x, and transfer 240 from RHS to LHS. So we have changed the sign, positive sign change in negative, and put equal to 0. This is your required quadratic equation form. So today we are discussing only basic form. Basic form means how to frame the word problems into quadratic equation, because this is very important in the board exam. Questions comes from this, in this language, okay? Mostly word problems are given. So what type of questions, if 1 marks question is comes in the exam, so formulate the quadratic form, means आपको किस में form में, quadratic form में, और उसके बाद की जो प्रोसेस है मीन्स फाइंड आउट द, यही क्वेश्चन आगे जाके चेंज हो सकता है. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज 240. फाइंड द इंटीजर्स मीन्स हियर वी विल यूज 2 methods to find out the integers, that we will discuss in the next video, okay? Again I am telling you the other example related to the basic daily life, okay? And I think you have studied this topic in a class, also in class 9th, okay? So it is very simple to understand, so try to understand all the questions, okay? Second type of questions I am telling you related to the geometry, Here I am writing this example number 2. The area of a rectangular field is 528 meter square. The length is one more than twice of its width. Formulate, yeah, you can say convert this word problem in the quadratic equation. So formulate this situation in quadratic form, in quadratic equation. Okay, this is the second example that is related to our daily life, because generally we have rectangular fields, okay, or fields are in the rectangular shape. Okay, this is the basic daily life question. The area, and you know that how to find the area of rectangular. I told you the formula. If we are finding the area of rectangle, then we are multiplying the length and width. So two here terms are coming. First is length and second is width. Okay, but here if we are understanding, we are